Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. I'm losing my voice. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the fur hoodie with a new accessory adjustments mode on Dress to Impress. So we are going to still be using the fur hat. Here, I'm just going to select this one. You can color it to whatever color you want. Position the Y to 0.35 and the Z to 0.35 as well. Rotate the X to 0.57 and you're going to scale it up to 0.76. I think I'm just going to kind of adjust this a little bit more with my hair here. So I'm going to position that just a little bit downwards like that. Then for the head part, I'm just going to, like the fur part, we're going to use this halo. I think I do have to add color to this or else you won't be able to see the difference. I'll use this color. Position the Y to 0.56 and then the Z to 0.95. And then we're going to rotate the X to 0.35 and we're going to scale it up to 0.79. And that is pretty much it. I think I'm going to change a few colors here and there. Can I not like... Okay, I need to make that like darker and the same color. Gosh, this is a hard color to match. Okay, there we go. But that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.